This is homework 1, and I will explain the question 1. And the question is given probability A greater than 0, less than 1, and probability B greater than 0, and less than 1. So the question want us to prove that if A and B are independent, so that probability A given B complement plus probability A complement given B, and the sum of those two parts equals to 1. So if we know that probability A given probability B, that could be rewritten as probability A B complement divided by probability B, and probability A complement given B equals to probability A complement B divided by probability B, and those could be proved as the conditional probability A given M equals to probability AM and divided by probability M. So we could use this to get those two equations, and we could rewrite this equation as this: probability A B complement divided by probability B complement plus probability A complement B divided by probability B, and equals to 1. So we also know that probability B could be rewritten as probability A complement B plus probability AB, because we could use this diagram to prove these two equations. Plus probability A B. Oh, this that's okay. Those two parts, and like this. So we use these two equations and rewrite those two parts like probability A minus probability AB, and divided by probability B complement plus probability B minus probability AB divided by probability B equals to 1. And we also know that probability B complement could be rewritten as 1 minus probability B. So we could also rewrite this equation like probability A minus probability AB divided by 1 minus probability B, and plus probability B minus probability AB divided by probability B equals to 1. And we could right now we could multiply 1 minus probability B and multiply probability B on both sides of this equation. And right side is probability B minus probability B square, and the left we dispose this part like probability B multiply probability A minus probability AB, and plus probability 1 minus probability B multiply probability B minus probability AB equals probability B minus probability B square. So we dispose those equations. Probability B multiply probability A minus probability B multiply probability AB plus probability B minus probability AB and minus probability B square plus probability B times probability AB equals probability B minus probability B square. And we could do some cancellation right now, like both two sides have this two parts. Just cancel it, and also cancel this two parts. So the final we got probability B multiply probability A equals probability AB. So if A and B have this relation, we could say that they are independent. So that's it. Thank you.